Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Okay, so Cause Creation, she has a no bra zone. Today it's the no hair zone. It's the bad hair day. This is my naturally curly hair and I didn't want to fool with it because I was filming a tutorial. So it is what it is. But I wanted to update you on what I have going on right now. I've got a little stack of goodies over here I wanted to share with you and get your feedback, that kind of thing. Where should I begin? I guess I'll start with the tutorial I just finished today, which is now in my classes on my online tutorial platform, Thinkific. Embrace Your Creative Spirit courses, where I teach you to paint with brushes, because that's my heart. This is the one I finished up today. It's a $35 class. If you join monthly, it's $60. Biannual, which every 6 months you save 25%, and if you do annual, you save 33%. If you buy monthly, 6 month or yearly, you get access to all of my classes, which is 40 classes right now, and I add 2 a month, and I just finished my latest one. With each class, you do not have to know how to draw or paint. I give you a traceable. I show you how to transfer it to your canvas. I give you a materials list with the paints that I'm going to use, and you can use your own paints. And we walk through this whole painting in an hour and a half or so. You can watch it in the comfort of your home. You can share it with your friends and family and have a paint party. It's really fun. And I'm aiming to teach you something special about painting so you can learn. I want you to become an artist too. So here's the one I finished today. Happy fall! It's a cornucopia of pumpkin, corn, grapes, and this is the one I just finished. I had a blast teaching it, and I'm teaching you how to take something that looks flat looking and give it dimension with highlights and shadows, and that's the goal, is to teach you the basics of painting besides just like coloring it in like a coloring book with paints. So that's my latest tutorial. So I think what I'll do on that one is the first 2 people that sign up for the class, I'll offer them a free print. And I'll let you pick the print. I'll let you pick whatever print you would like to have of my artwork. For instance, I did 3 paintings outdoors recently for an exhibition that's going on right now. One of them was a botanical garden. Here's an 8x10, I think, or maybe bigger print. One of your choices. I sat in the backyard and painted my beautiful banana leaf plants and hydrangeas, and here's a print of that. I had a print, I had to have one done just to see what it looked like, of mine and Heather Mater's coral and fish painting that we did recently. Midnight Pearlescence, I think, was the name of it. Look at that beauty. This is on luster paper. It's metallic-y kind of, so it shimmers. And it shows all the detail of that shimmery fish and the coral. It's really gorgeous. That's like a 12 by 16, 14 by 18, something like that. I think it's a 12 by 16. But I'll let you pick your print and I'll mail it to you. The first 2 people that sign up will get a free print. Just wanted to show you, this is one I had done recently. It was a commission, and I'm getting ready to ship this out, and this is to one of my students that takes my online courses. She's an annual member, so she's getting this painting for free. This took me multiple hours, and she had me paint a painting in memory of her mother, who loved red and pink geraniums and ivy. So I did that painting for her. I had a really good time doing that. So where do I put these? Let's see. I just finished these and did a video. This is a resin bowl with metallic gold shimmer and crushed glass around the edges. This is a freeform bowl, and it was about 12 inches or so. And it's heat resistant. You can't cook in it, but you can put things in it. You can wash it out. You can put candies and things like that. And I did actually one coaster with the same red resin and embellished it with beautiful Deco Art 24 karat gold and sealed it so it's heat resistant. So I just did that recently. Don't forget, I have this set of really pretty fire opal coasters. You know, with Christmas coming up, Thanksgiving and Christmas, this would be a great gift. They're in my Etsy store. Also, I just added this to my Etsy store, and they actually would be beautiful together. This is orange and metallic golds, crushed glass, if you can see the detail, and it's got the holographic look on the back side. Could be used as a tray to serve something on. It could have cosmetics on it. It could have a pretty votive candle in the middle. Pearls, who knows, jewelry. You could put anything on it. So I've got those. These are in my Etsy store. These two coasters that are hand embellished with gold floral designs. They kind of look Indian inspired. Beautiful magenta, hot pink, deep, some sparkle in it too. I don't know if you can see the sparkle, but they sparkle. And beautiful little feather trinket tray. Same colors with the gold accents. So those are in my Etsy store. I have not added these yet. I haven't posted a video for these yet. I've got to edit it, and it'll be maybe by Friday or Saturday. I'm really proud though. I've been wanting to do ocean inspired resin. I've been on a resin kick. I haven't done many pours lately because I have 100 and something paintings out in the garage, maybe 200 paintings sitting there that haven't sold. So they're going to either be embellished or they're just going to sit. So I'm doing resin and other stuff, whatever gets people excited and who want to buy it. So these are, I've got a set of 4 coasters. They're heat resistant to 500 degrees. And they're sparkly and they have waves. And so there's 4 of them and they're all different shapes. So these will be going in my Etsy store and the video will be posted soon. And I have these little pop sockets. Somebody said, what are pop sockets? So pop sockets, you put it on the back of your phone. They can be flat, or you can pull them midway or all the way out. You can hold, it's like a phone holder for your fingers on the back. It has a 3M sticker. So you stick it to the back of your phone, and it's like a little knob for your phone. It also, you can prop your phone on something flat. It helps hold it up. So these are pop sockets. I have these, and I can custom make whatever colors. If you wanted a batch of them, like 5 or 10, I'd be happy to make some for you. And real quickly, I just wanted to show you the paintings I had done that are for sale. This is a 24 by 12 painting of a lake park that's nearby. And these were all painted outdoors. Excuse me, I didn't mean to hit the camera. This lovely was painted in my backyard. It's a banana leaf plant tree and limelight hydrangeas. So, framed and ready to go. I may be having I don't know if I'll do an auction. Maybe I will do an auction. But I'm going to maybe embellish some pours that are sitting in the garage and just get rid of a bunch of artwork before the holidays. So just telling you about that. And then there's this one, which is the Botanical Garden, framed. Okay, now, so yeah, the tutorial and all that. I think I've pretty much mentioned everything I wanted to mention. There's one more thing, and it's almost 74,000. I'm 1,000 away from my 75,000 goal for YouTube. And I had said when I got to 75,000, I would give away a free painting of your choice. So stay tuned. When I reach the 75,000, I'm going to do an announcement video, and that video will be how I pick a winner for that free painting. So stay tuned for that. So I got this new bag. Look! It's the Midnight Pearlescent fish, and it's a little tote bag. I don't know, it's 14-16 inches, but the one that Heather and I painted together. Heather made her. I'm going to give this away. So I guess I will do a giveaway from this video. You have to comment below and under the video and say why you would like to win it. And yeah, my Facebook group and everybody, I'll send them over to this video to register to win this fish painting on a tote bag. And then some lucky winner will get to win the fish tote. And I've got another cool one that I'll do in December. I do calendars. This was last year's calendar. I did one the year before. They're usually $20. And then each month has a different piece of my art. I go through and I pick out different paintings. And so the calendar has my artwork in it. And then once you use the calendar, you can cut out the artwork and you can mat it and frame it if you want to. So it's a way to have 12 pieces or so of my art at a really inexpensive price. So I'm kind of interested to know if you're interested in the calendar or not. So if you comment below the video, mention if you're interested in a calendar for 2021. We need something to get us through next year after this crazy COVID thing and the election, which is, I don't think, finished up yet still. So let me know if you're interested in a calendar for 2021. I have to pre-order them and pay for them up front and order them in bulk because they're a little bit expensive. So I want to know people's interest in getting them, so I'll know whether to order however many calendars. So I hope you're having a great week, and I'll see you on the next video. I love you all. Hugs. Bye-bye.